Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about an important airdrop which is on the verge of launching in this 2025, and that is the Gaya wallet airdrop. All right, now this is an AI powered multi-chain wallet. You can swap, buy, stake and earn rewards using this particular wallet. All right, so all you want to do guys is just to stay with me till the end of this video, as I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guides on how to participate in their airdrop and earn as many Gaya tokens as possible. All right, now like I said guys, this is on the verge of launching, and you can just come up here to check out their X account. Do well to follow them. Once you give them a follow, you'll be able to receive every update concerning this particular airdrop campaign. All right, and if you also check out the tweet they made on the 5th of September, you're going to see, first we confirmed the Gaya token launch in Q4 of 2025. Then we revealed the total supply of 125 Gaya tokens. Today we announced at launch it will be minted on Solana, powering the ecosystem from day one before expanding onto the Gaya blockchain. The future starts here. Now, this particular Gaya tokens guys is looking to launch on the Q4 of 2025, and we're almost in Q4 of 2025. All right, so we're just less than a month into Q4 of 2025, so you're just right on time in this particular airdrop and you don't want to miss out on it. Now in today's video guys, I'll be showing you guys the step-by-step guides on how to participate in this particular airdrop and claim out as many Gaya tokens as possible. All you have to do guys is just to stay close and watch this video till the end. And in case you're joining us for the first time or you're not yet subscribed, kindly head over to our channel and come up here and smash the subscribe button guys. It's totally free to subscribe. Once you click on the subscribe button, then you go ahead and turn the notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. All right, then you as well go ahead and check out some of the videos in our channel that might be of help on how to earn cryptocurrencies and how to make money generally online. All right, so I'll just make use of my Android subsystem to show you what the wallet looks like. Just head over to your Google Play Store if you make use of Android, or you head over to your App Store if you make use of iOS. All right, now if you get over to your Play Store, just go ahead and search for Gaya wallets. Now this is what the wallet looks like, Gaya AI crypto wallet. Over here guys, all you have to do is just to come up here and get it installed. It's about 42 megabytes. It's not really that big. Go ahead, get it installed and follow the steps I'm about to show you right now. Go ahead and click on this one that says get started. Once you click on get started guys, you see this one that says import using seed phrase, or you create a new wallet. Now you get to use this one that says import using seed phrase if you already have an account with them, but if you're just new to it, go ahead and click on this one that says create a new wallet. And once you click on create a new wallet, this page is going to come up. All you have to do guys is just to go ahead and select your PIN. Once you're done guys, you can choose to turn on your fingerprint. And once you're done with that guys, you just go ahead, click on this one that says I understand that Gaya wallet cannot recover this PIN for me. All right, I'll just check this and click on create wallet. Now when you get to the stage 2 guys, you can see secure your wallet, don't risk losing your funds, protect your wallet by saving your seed phrase. So all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and save your seed phrase, but just for the purpose of this video I'm going to do this later, so I'll just use this first option that says remind me later. All right, now you have to choose a unique username. I will use my name, which is Drills. Just go ahead and choose your own unique username. All right, then let me just check the availability. So it's available, so I'll just go ahead and register this name. Now once you're done with the whole registration process, this is what your account is going to look like. All right, you can see this is my username over here, CryptoDrills, and at the moment I have $0 right here. All right, like I said before guys, this is a multi-chain wallet. You can see Solana right here, you can see Ethereum, you can see BNB, XRP, and different others that you can add later. All right, then this is the official Gaya token, which is under Solana. Now we've not earned any single airdrop in this particular wallet, but now I'm going to show you guys all the processes to earn. Come over here guys and click on this one that says airdrop down here. Once you click on airdrop, this page is going to come up, and you can see Gaya Airdrop is now live. Verify your Telegram now This step is required to access rewards, earn XP, and ensure eligibility before token generation events. Now, this is what is going to happen, guys. We are going to earn XP points that will later be converted to these Gaya airdrop tokens during the TGE. All right, so all you have to do, guys, is just to go ahead and verify your Telegram. Now, once you've logged in your Telegram successfully, guys, you can now comfortably click on this one that says airdrop, and this page will automatically open. All right, you will see this one that says invite only access, which means you can only use someone else's invite code, that is a referral code, before you be able to participate in this particular airdrop. All right, so it must be by invitation. Now, there's a 4-digit code I'm going to paste in the description box of this video, and as well you're going to see it right on this screen. Go ahead, use this 4-digit invite code, place it in right here, guys, and get registered for this particular airdrop. That's the only way you'll be able to participate in this particular airdrop. Now, once you're done inputting the code, guys, this page is automatically going to come up, and over here, guys, you can see at the moment I have about 50 XP points, and if you look down here, guys, you see other means you can use to boost up your balance. You can see this one that says welcome bonus. Just come up here, guys, click on it, and you'll be able to claim about 100 XP points as your bonus. All right, claimed successfully, and at the moment I have 150 XP points. Now, there are different other ways you can use to boost up your XP balance just by completing all of these tasks right here. All right, so go ahead and invite some friends. You'll be able to earn XP points on-chain task, then social task. You'll be able to earn XP points. And in case you want to see the guys stopping up on the list, check out this leaderboard, guys. You're going to see them all listed down here. Now, if you click on this one that says on-chain task, this page is going to come up. You discover that you can earn XP for every crypto move you make. All right, swapping or buying crypto now earns you XP points. This is very simple and straight to the point. The more you engage, the more you earn. All right, so simply buying coins and selling coins, swapping coins right here, guys, will increase your chances of earning XP points. You can see 1 XP per $1 swapped. All right, and the swap fee is about 1% of the volume you're swapping. All right, so you can weigh your options whether to engage in this and boost up your XP balance. All right, these are the ways you can use to earn the XP balance, and after that, guys, you can use this convert button to convert your XP tokens to your Gaya tokens. All right, but this is not available at the moment. And remember, like I told you guys earlier on, that the token has been confirmed to launch on the Q4 of 2025, and then they reviewed the total supply to about 125 million Gaya tokens. All right, I'll be bringing you more updates on this particular Gaya wallet airdrop and many other airdrops to come that you can actually use to make money here on the crypto space. All right, so do well to keep following us. Give this video a thumbs up. We really appreciate that. If you have questions to ask, do well to put it down in the comment section, and I promise to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.